This is a 2007 Acura MDX, a car-like ride and space like an SUV. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.7-liter V6. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, dual-zone climate control, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a split folding rear seat, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a leather-wrapped shift knob, an electronic throttle, a rear spoiler, a passenger side vanity mirror, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 63,000 miles. Not to mention that this Acura qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.